In this video, we will go through the maintenance on how to clean your print head. Do not use sharp tools. We do provide print head cleaning pens. You'll need a microfiber cloth, or you can use alcohol. Go ahead and pop the lever to pop your print head up. This is your print head element, and that's where you will be concentrating your cleaning. Using a cleaning pen, swipe everywhere around that area. Pick up all the ink as much as you can. As soon as you finish using the cleaning pen, use the cleaning cloth, wipe it off, or put some alcohol on the towel and clean the print head. Once it's done, do your configuration test and check for quality.